question of the day. Consider the following statements with respect to non-lapsable central pool of resources scheme. A. The broad objective of the non-lapsable central pool of resources scheme is to ensure speedy development of infrastructure in the northeastern region. B. The Ministry of Rural Development allocates funds from NLCPR to various northeast states for infrastructure projects. C. It will only focus on the development of physical infrastructure sectors. Which of the above statements is/are incorrect? Drop your answers in the comment section below.